you've got the talent, ideas, and drive, but at work, your voice still isn't being heard.
Joy Lab.
Hello everyone, I'm Tonya Lehman, the Speaking Confidence Coach. I help introverts communicate with confidence without changing your introvert nature so you can thrive in the workplace. In this video, I address 3 reasons you aren't being heard at work. The first reason you aren't being heard at work is that you're saving your ideas for later. Introverts like to think things through, and that's a strength. But waiting until after the meeting to share your best idea means others may move on without it. My advice, capture your thought in a quick note and voice it before the conversation shifts. Just say something like, I have an idea about the situation that I'd like to polish a bit before presenting it here. Or I'd like to explore going in this different direction and I'd like to share details after doing a bit more research. Even a short contribution keeps your voice in the mix. The second reason you aren't being heard at work is that you're writing instead of speaking. How often have you composed an email in your head during a meeting and then spent way too long after the meeting, revising and redrafting the email to make it perfect? Introverts often prefer email and text because they allow time to reflect. But sometimes your written words don't carry the same influence as spoken ones. And sometimes your perfectly crafted email just gets skipped over or not even acknowledged. Ugh, all that work for nothing. My advice, pair them together. Send the email, yes, but also summarize your key point out loud in a meeting or on a quick call. That way, your ideas get visibility and weight. But this only works if you verbalize your ideas very soon after the email. And be careful not to criticize someone for not immediately reading your email. Just reference the email when you talk, and if your idea is good, people will go back and read what you wrote. Before I share the third reason you aren't being heard at work, please take a moment to click like and subscribe. If what I say resonates with you, look below for many more resources. Let's work together. Becoming an introvert who can confidently speak up is the most effective way to build stronger relationships, earn respect at work, and share your ideas when they matter the most. The third and final reason you're not being heard at work is that you're waiting for the perfect moment. Introverts sometimes hold back, waiting for the right opening to speak, but in a busy workplace, that moment doesn't always come. Can you imagine this? At the very moment you're ready to share your opinion, everyone naturally pauses and looks at you, waiting in anticipation for you to speak. That's not going to happen. Oh, my advice, don't wait for silence. Create your space. Use a phrase like, I'd like to build on that, or can we please pause a moment so I can share a perspective? It may even help you to raise your hand. Not wave it overhead like you're at a Padres game, but put your hand at eye level. It's respectful, but it's assertive. I'm Tonya Lehman. You are valuable. You can speak up.
Joy Lab. Learning done right.
Learn more with Joy Lab. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Visit us at www.joylab.biz. Thank you.